Morning student, this video for class 10 students. Today we have to discuss the topic upstream and downstream based questions. Okay, so I'm taking the question from your book. So let's see what is the question. The question is this question number 32. A boat can cover 10 kilometer up the stream, means upstream it has to cover 10 kilometer and 5 kilometer downstream in 6 hours. Total time it is given 6 hours. If the speed of the stream is 1.5 kilometer per hour, what will be the speed of the boat in still water? This 30-second question we have to do it. So student, in this question two parts are it is given. The first part is speed of stream. It is already given in this question. It is 1.5 kilometer per hour, and speed of boat we have to find. Speed of boat we can assume it is x kilometer per hour. This we have to find. So during upstream what will happen? Speed will be speed of boat minus speed of stream, and during downstream the speed will be added. So this is the speed during downstream and this is the speed for upstream. Now time is equal to distance upon speed. So when he is going to cover this upstream 10 kilometer, so the time t1 is equal to 10 upon and the speed of upstream, it is x minus 15. Similarly t2, it has to cover 5 kilometer, so the speed will be the speed we have to use downstream, it is x plus 1.5. Now total time they have given, it is t1 plus t2, it is already given, it is 6 hours. So t1 plus t2 we can write 6 hours. So the value of t1 is, this implies that 10 upon x minus 1.5, this is 1.5, plus 5 upon x plus 1.5 is equal to 6. So you have to simplify this equation and convert into quadratic equation and then solve it and get the value of x. That we will do it. So student, look at here, this is the equation. 10 upon x minus 1.5 plus 5 upon x plus 1.5 equal to 6. I've taken the LCM over here. So we got 10x plus 15 is equal to 5x minus 7.5. After simplification it has come 15 plus 7.5 is equal to 6 times of the product of these two numbers, it is x square minus 2.25. Now after that I have taken 2, this I have written 3 into 2, and from here I have taken 3 common, so I can cancel out this 3 with this 3. So after simplification, after shifting this portion in the right side, because x square is positive here, so we are getting 2x square, this 2 is multiplied inside the bracket, 2x square minus 4.5 minus 5x minus 2.5 equal to 0. Finally it is 2x square minus 5x minus 7, it has come the quadratic equation. That quadratic equation we have to solve either by the help of factorization method or by the help of quadratic formula method. I use the factorization over here, so 7 to the 14. 14 factors are 7 and 2, so it will give 5. So 2 factors, it is 2x minus 7 and x plus 1. X plus 1 is an invalid value because it is giving the negative answer, because x is 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 7 upon 2, that is 3.5 kilometer per hour is the final answer. Means the speed of boat is 3.5 kilometer per hour. So that is the question based on downstream and upstream. Means you have to use the speeds of downstream and upstream, which I explained to you, that you have to use. Now student, you will do 33 question, 33rd question in homework. Now next question is basically based on cost based problem. It is based on cost, selling price and cost price based questions. So we will take 34 first part here. We have 34 first part. Look at this question. 480 is the total money. It is divided among x children, means total children is x. So 480 is the total amount. If number of children were 20 more, then each would got 12 less. Find the value of x. So we have to derive this equation in the form of quadratic equation, then find the value of x. So look at here. So student, we have total amount 480. Total children we have x. Each child will get definitely 480 upon x. New number of children we have, it is x plus 20. It is given that if we will increase 20 student more, means earlier it was x children, now the new number of children is x plus 20. Definitely this time the each child will get 480 upon x plus 20, and they have given the difference of 12 rupees over here, means old value of each child minus new value of the each child, it is given 12 rupees. So this will give the quadratic equation to us. We have to simplify it and get the quadratic equation, and then we will get the value of x. So finally we have a equation 480 that was given 480 into 1 upon x minus, I have taken 480 common, 1 upon x minus that 1 upon x plus 20 is equal to 12. I've taken the LCM here, x to x cancel. Now by I have just cancelled out like this. It is 480, it has become 160. 160 into 5, it is 800 upon x square plus 20 equal to 1. By cross multiplication we will get this quadratic equation. Now factorization, 800 has to be 800 has to factorize in such a way that it will give 20x. So 40 minus 20, 40 into 20, it is minus 800. So over here we got two factors. The first factor is x plus 40 and second is x minus 20. This is invalid because it will give negative value. So x is 20, because therefore the total number of children it was 20. So that is the question. So student, take the hint from these two questions and try to simplify the next questions. I am assigning the questions to you. You just do the questions 34. Your homework I am writing here. Question number 34, it is second part you have to do. Question number 35 you can do it. 36 and 37. 37 and 38 also. 38 also you can do it. So these questions you should do from 5.5 as a homework questions, as assignment questions. You do these questions in your fair copy. Thank you very much.